I came to Aspire really for the people and for the mission. The people I met here are doing amazing work, and they have been for the last 7 or 8 years.
Every year we get a little better at delivering home care at scale. And the benefit of delivering care in the home is that the minute you're greeted at the doorstep or you walk in across the threshold, you can see who this person is by what's hanging on the walls, how their home is arranged, who in their family is there to participate in the visit. So instantly you're flooded with this context that makes delivering care that much more relevant.
I find that I do my best work in purpose and mission-driven organizations, and oh my goodness, what better place could you not do that in terms of Aspire?
When you think of the mission that Aspire performs, helping terminally ill patients through the last stages of life, not a lot that's more rewarding than helping the family.
I do a lot of orientations with new staff, and one of the most common themes I see is a hunger to share compassion.
I think it's so important that these patients have the support from us so that they can maintain the quality of life that they imagined.
They don't have a voice. They don't understand when a doctor talks and what it really means and what the treatment really means. And for me, that's what Aspire is able to do.
I had 2 parents, like everyone, and my father had the benefit of dying on hospice service. He lived a full life, stayed out of the hospital for the last 1.5 years that he was on hospice. And he died just after eating his morning breakfast and living in the way he wanted to live, independently. My mother died of cancer when she was in her 50s, and her medical team was extremely aggressive in her treatment and in the recommendations they made to her. In the last 6 months of her life, she had surgery that, in retrospect, was probably unnecessary and reduced the quality of her life. And she died in the back of an ambulance. I want all of the patients that we serve to have the benefit of hospice, should they choose to, and have plenty of time to enjoy that benefit.
Being welcomed into those very sacred moments makes this truly sacred work.
Those moments are difficult, but they're also why being in palliative care is so meaningful.
I've really found my home, and this population is exactly where I feel that I need to be.